What's going on, guys? Robert here. So we're starting to gear up for some kayak fishing, some fishing on the river, and I've been searching for some new baits to use this year, and I came across some. I saw the videos on Facebook and I thought, man, I've just got to try those. Needed a good crawfish bait for smallmouth, and I think I found it. This video right here. And this video right here. So those, I saw those videos on Facebook and I thought, man, I've just got to try those. You cannot go wrong with a good craw lure bait on the river for smallmouth. I also bought some of the Hellgrammites, which are, I mean, again, you can't go wrong with Hellgrammites. I got some 5-inch and some 8-inch long ones, and they came in today. I have not opened these yet. I have not seen these lures in person yet. All I've seen are the clips and what I've seen on YouTube, and some really good reviews on them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open these up and kind of see what my first reaction is to them, and then of course we'll be using them this summer. So let's get into it. So we're just gonna open these across the top. See what we got in here. Okay, so first up, as this is a 5-inch bloodshot Hellgrammite. You see those right there. And then I ordered some. These are the 8-inch Megamites. And then I ordered some 8-inch Megamites in plum. See those there? We'll pull a couple out here in a second. And then of course I got some more 5-inch. These are the green pumpkin blues. These look pretty neat. So let's pull out one of these and see what we got here. So that is the green pumpkin blue, and you can see that color on it. That's pretty good color. I like that. The plastic feels really good. Feels really sturdy. It's not really soft. Should hold really well on a hook. I mean, it's got some pretty good action to it. So that's the blue. Let's look at one of these 8. So this is the 8-inch plum. You can see that. That's got some awesome looking color to it right there. I mean, that is insane. Again, the tail's kind of flat, bigger body, should hold really well on a hook. Again, same, it feels really tight, really tough plastic. So it shouldn't come apart that easy. Should hold up pretty well to several catch. And again, the 8-inch has got some insane action. So that is the 8-inch plum. See, this is the dark green pumpkin one here at 8-inch that I ordered. So you can see that there. It's always a good color, green pumpkin. 8 inches again, really nice. It should hold up really well. And then this is the bloodshot 10-pack. This is the 5-inch again. Let's see those there. That looks really good. I mean, these ought to be smallmouth killers this summer. Cannot wait to try those. So that is the Hellgrammites that I got. 2 packs of 5-inch and 2 packs of 8-inch. I am really liking this color here. That clear water on the rivers up here in Arkansas, this is going to do amazing, I think. This is insane. And that's just the plum. That's the 8-inch Megamite plum Hellgrammite from Tackle HD. So there's the Hellgrammites that I got. I cannot wait. They look really good. I mean, they look really good. So I can't wait to try these on the river. So now let's get into the real ones I ordered. The high def craws that they have. This is the ones I've watched videos on, and you saw the clips at the beginning. So I ordered 2 packages of high def craws. I ordered a 3-inch and I ordered a 5-inch. Here is This is the 3-inch green pumpkin blue. You can see that there. And then I ordered a 5-inch, this is 3 3/4 kiwi craw. So we're gonna pull a couple of these out and see what they look like. So that is the, what is that again? That's the green pumpkin blue. You can see the colors in that. That's pretty good. I like that a lot. Again, the plastic seems really well, really good plastic. I've bought some baits in the past from different companies that the plastic is really flimsy. You feel like you can rip it with your hands. This is pretty tough plastic, so it ought to hold up really well. So this blue is got some crazy action on it. I mean, the legs all wiggle like crazy, so the video is not misleading. Now let's look at this kiwi. This kiwi is some crazy. This is an insane color here. This jumped out at me when I got on the website. Of course, this is 3 3/4, and that is insane. Look at that. Look at that color. That is going to be a smallmouth magnet come winter, or come this summer on the rivers here in Arkansas. Absolutely insane colors. Man, it's got a two-tone. It's that kiwi green on the bottom, and it's darker on top. And again, the legs are just, I mean, that's crazy. So I'm excited. I've ordered baits before from companies online and was highly disappointed. These look amazing. I cannot wait to get these on the river. I'll drop a link below for the website and Facebook page for Tackle HD, so you can check them out yourself. I can't wait to try them. So yeah, I wanted to get kind of first reactions on these baits and let you know some of the stuff we're going to be fishing with this summer. So again, the 8-inch, 5-inch Hellgrammites and the 3-inch and 3 3/4 high def Craws. Ought to be a really good summer with these baits. Cannot wait to try these.